Hey guys, how are you tonight? Have you ever had chicken pot pie? Have you ever wondered how to make it? Well, I'm just about to prepare some chicken pot pie and I thought, what a great idea to share this easy, quick meal with you. So stay tuned. We're going to make some chicken pot pie with cornbread. I'll tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need some chicken thighs preferably, vegetables, a can of Campbell's cream of chicken, and a box of cornbread. And some cheese to put on top of when it's all done. So those are the only ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Enjoy. What you're gonna do is brown your chicken. Okay. I have a little bit of rice cooking on this side because my son loves rice with everything. So go ahead and get your chicken browned a little bit. All you need is 1 can of Campbell's cream of chicken. It doesn't have to be fat-free, but that's what I have. Go ahead and get your cornbread. I got my 2 eggs, little milk, and a box of Jiffy cornbread mix already. I'm just getting it together, stirring it up. You know how to do it. You just put your eggs in your milk and you get that stirred up. Once you get your cornbread mixed according to the package, you add 1 egg and some milk. I always add 2 eggs. I'm not sure if you know, but that does make the cornbread more moist. Okay, and I have my pan prepared. I usually use the glass Pyrex bowl, but it works better because I like to get crispy cornbread edges, so I'm using a dark coated pan. So once your chicken is done, you're going to go ahead and add hold on one second. Once your chicken is at your desired cook, you go ahead and add your can of Campbell's soup. Don't add any water to it. You don't need to. The cornbread is already mixed because we're going to pour that on top. Okay, once you have it all mixed in really good, then you're going to put your vegetables on top of that. This is a really quick, easy meal. Now, I normally cut my chicken up a lot smaller than this, but there's no need. It's just the 3 of us going to be eating, so it doesn't have to be cut down really small. It's according to how much meat and vegetables you like. So once I cook it down just about there, I'm still letting it cook just a little bit. Turn the oil up just a little bit more, because you want to get your cook your cream of chicken down just a little bit, and then you're going to add your vegetables. I just put the vegetables in a bowl. Add your mixed vegetables to it. Okay, you're going to add that in. Perfect. It's already cooking. And I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. Why? Because I like flavor. Because once your Campbell's doesn't have any flavor in it. Maybe your chicken does, but your Campbell's cream of chicken does not. So you add a little bit of seasoning salt or whatever you prefer. Because you got your seasoning here with that sweet cornbread. It's going to give it a nice texture and a nice flavor. Once you cook that down for about a minute, and then you're going to pour that into your pan, and then you're going to pour your cornbread mix over. So I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so now you're going to pour your mix, which is your chicken and vegetables, into your pan. Just like so. Once you do that, guys, it tastes really delicious. Once you put your chicken and everything in, I'm just making sure I get it all kind of a nice balance here. Then you're going to put your cornbread mix in. Try to make sure you get all the lumps out of it. You know how it goes. And you just pour the cornbread mix right over that. Of it, you know how it goes. And you just pour the cornbread mix right over that. Right over that mix. This meal takes about 30 minutes because you got to cook the meat, but it takes about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. Preheat your oven to 400, and you cook this just like you would the cornbread until when the cornbread is done. And we're going to put the cheese right over, and your meal is done. You have a full course meal, vegetables, chicken, cornbread, and if you want to add rice to your meal. So I'll be back in a moment. Guys, it is now ready. I'm going to, now you don't have to put cheese on it, but it does make it delicious. Ray, can you get closer? Because it's all about the food right now. You just spread about a cup of this over. I'm just going to put on half because I don't care for it. The cheese on it, and it just melts right into it. Now you're supposed to use a 9-inch dish, but I decided to use 9 by 11. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over it. There you have it, guys. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit for you. The cornbread with the chicken, it's like gravy and rice, because we have the rice, but it's like gravy and chicken and cornbread, and it's really delicious. The Campbell's chicken soup really gives it a nice flavor. So you're going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.